Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel, and for today's video again it's another cooking video. So like you know, we are stuck with the lockdown, can't go anywhere, especially from today in Karnataka the strict lockdown has been imposed. So for the free time I thought of doing another recipe today. So yesterday was related to non-veg stuff, so I thought of like doing something veg today. So I have for you people the mushroom pepper dry. So for the ingredients which I have already placed it here, I will personally show you from the top view. So friends, we have the button mushroom over here which I have cut into half of pieces. Here you can see half or like 3/4. They come big sized. So they have a calorie of nearly 82 and it's very nutritious to have mushrooms. I have already done mushroom fried rice long back, I guess. So the next ingredient which I have is corn flour. So this much amount of corn flour I have, which I'll show you how much you will be adding in that. Apart from that, salt, then ginger garlic paste, which is homemade. We did it at home. Then turmeric powder. After that, we have onion, chopped onion, then chopped garlic, then pepper, not pepper, garam masala. This is pepper. Then chili powder, obviously very important. And then coming up to the different sauces, that is tomato sauce, then your red chili sauce, and then the dark soya sauce. So we'll start with the recipe. So coming up to marinating the mushroom. So first the chili is put to the bottom mushroom. Next the pepper powder. So all these items are obviously will be in your home, like onion, garlic, except the mushroom in case you can get it. And this is the garam masala. Then the turmeric powder. Then salt, obviously the most important ingredient, table salt. Then coming to corn flour. So this is for frying purpose. So you might all be knowing what corn flour is used for actually. Majorly for frying stuff like baby corn, then your gobi and this mushroom. Then coming up to the ginger garlic paste. Now stirring it up. So you have to properly mix it thoroughly.
Marination.
So mixing means I meant to say marinating. So you have to marinate it properly. And by the way guys, if you are thinking where you will get this mushroom, you will get it everywhere. Button mushroom is the most common mushroom available in the market. In case you are in Bangalore, you get different other types of mushroom which are majorly used for making soups especially, whereas button mushroom they are used for in all the shops for all purposes, that is fry item, then chili item, gravy item, anything. Now you can place this mixture, that is the marinated mixture of mushroom, for 10 minutes. So we will wait. So friends, the next step, that is the deep fry. Leaving the mushroom, get it fried. And for today we have got this to remove it from the oil because the thing is in our home we usually don't eat non-veg daily. So what we do is the utensils for the veg stuff is different and the utensils for the non-veg stuff is different. So friends, the frying part is done. So you can see how it has become after the complete deep fry. Now the remaining items to be added are only this. So onion, then garlic, then pepper. After that the 3 sauces which I already told you about. So if you ask me, these are the main ingredients because the taste, the flavor, the sweetness, everything comes by adding these sauces. So we already added oil in this. Now we'll now start with the second part. So after adding oil, we'll add garlic. So properly sliced or chopped garlic is added. As you all know, garlic is a very essential ingredient in all bases. After frying it for around 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, maybe around 1 minute, we then add onion. So again here chopped onion. These are all important ingredients. As you can see, we have added a lot of onion because see, the mushroom, after frying it, there won't be much of a content in that. So we have to add other ingredients equally. So the onion becomes a bit translucent, if you can observe here. Then we add the next, which is the most important ingredient, that is the soya sauce. So be careful when adding the soya sauce, especially. Today I am wearing white. A single drop of soya sauce on the t-shirt will spoil your day, if you ask me. Then coming up to the next ingredient, that is the red chili sauce. So this sauce, it's like a bit spicy also and a bit of sweet also. So it's not actually tomato sauce. There's a bit of a chili mixture with tomato. So now you can observe the color. The color is different. Now we add the ingredient which we were talking about, that is the fried mushrooms. So we equally mix it thoroughly. Pepper, because obviously the name suggests mushroom pepper dry. Pepper dry or pepper fry, it's the same ingredient. So in hotels, if you ask me the same ingredient, they'll say it as mushroom 65 also, then mushroom masala fry also. Then right now you might have observed those white powders which we are adding, obviously that's salt. So then we are adding the tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. You can add homemade sauce also if you prepare at home. So this is actually for making the recipe sweet, if you ask me. Especially in fast food items, tomato sauce is very commonly used in case of your gobi manchuri or your baby corn fry, baby corn chili, baby corn masala. So many items are there when you come to veg stuff. Equally, even in the non-veg also. Then we'll add one more ingredient which is for garnishing the recipe and even for a bit of smell and taste, that is the coriander leaves. So the coriander leaves are added. So now you can see how it is ready. So friends, your mushroom pepper fry or dry is ready now. So the main thing I want to say about this video especially is that see, these days in hotels you can understand that the contents are very oily or something will be wrong with that. Like we don't know, we didn't prepare them. So for our own safety, I just want my subscribers and whoever is watching this video right now, I want them to understand that homemade food is one of the best food. Personally, according to my opinion, it's the best. So please do try to make homemade recipes as much as possible. So in this you can understand how much ingredients are used, rarely some of them, and that too according to me. If you are 18 plus and all, it's very easy to make these kinds of recipes at home, and even the family gets a good taste, a better taste on new recipes which are not commonly done at your homes. So friends, before concluding the video, I would like to advise you to be safe, stay safe during these COVID times. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll meet you up with more and more cooking stuff. So until next time folks, bye.